Okay, on the OdaFlow, we have the app for merchandisers or sales rep or web for the admins. Today we are going to talk about how to add clients, and adding clients can either be direct customer or a distributor. How can the sales rep do it? When you go to the dashboard, which is the home page for the sales rep, click the view clients button. You will either have customers or distributors, and you can add either. For example, let's start by customers. When you want to add the customers, you'll just click the button on the bottom right part of the screen where it says add clients, and you'll just add, let's say, new test client 1, and maybe give them a code which is optional, 0992. The owner's new test client phone number, let's just get the random number. They may be a retailer. There will be a drop down. You can choose whether they're a retailer or a wholesaler or other or kiosk. Let's just have this as a supermarket. Yeah, retailer. Then you can add any notes you want, which is optional. Then for location, you'll have to use the location where you want, because it only has to confirm that you are at the shop that you are creating. So with that, to add a client, I'll just use my location. You can directly assign a distributor directly. Let's say, for example, new test, and then you just add the client. Now with that, we have added the new test client. So since we added the distributor, for the admin, they will see them as a distributor customer. So always remember that you have to be very sure if you are adding the distributor customer direct to the distributor as a sales rep, or you are just creating direct. Because if we create a direct customer, let me create a direct customer without adding a distributor, you will see that direct test customer. We can just get the number. Email is optional, but you can always add. Let us put this as a wholesaler, large wholesaler. Then you'll just click location. Exactly. Remember, now that we have added them as direct customer without adding a distributor, as we did before, when we go to the direct customer page, we should get this direct customer. So you see that we have two ways to add customers. You can either add them as direct customer, so that they deal with the manufacturer directly, or they contact them through distributor. Where we did for the direct customer, we have the direct customer, and where we did the distributor customer, we have the distributor customer as the new test client, and you can see them on your app. Then we have distributors. How are we going to add distributors? To add distributors, you are going to go to distributor tab, then just add a new distributor. You can just say new distributor, phone number +2547. Let's just get a random number. We will just add new distributor test as the business details. Then current location, we'll use Google, so your location will be used because you have to be there. Then you will have to submit it for approval. And now the new distributor is created. When we go to the distributors on the tab, when your manufacturer looks for the distributor, they will find the new distributor. Let's just say new. Yeah, new distributor test is there. So that is how it's done, guys.